Hey everyone, friends! Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft with friends on consoles. It's done the same way as on PC. So for easier recording, I chose to show it on computer. Alright, we need to click the play button. First, after logging into your account, you'll see a button here. So click play, then click on friends, and here you'll see all your friends. If, for example, you don't have any friends here, click search for friends and either enter their tag here or give them yours. Then add them as a friend, right? And during gameplay, once I join, you can invite a friend or a friend can join you freely depending on your world settings. So I entered my world to invite friends. You need to click the show button, click the three dots, and then click invite to play. There. Or you can also play through realms. That's it. This was Elvir. See you all later.